Good morning, my dear students. Electrochemistry, easy way to study the reasoning questions. The reasoning question may be asked in compulsory questions in 2 mark and 5 mark. What is the first reasoning question? In this video, we are going to discuss 2 reasoning questions. The electrochemical cell reaction of the Daniell cell, Voltaic cell, is zinc plus copper 2 plus gives zinc 2 plus and copper. What is the change in the cell voltage on increasing the ion concentration in the anode compartment by a factor of 10? This is galvanic cell reaction. The question is asked is, in the anodic compartment, I simply draw the equation diagram. You can see zinc is placed in zinc sulfate solution, copper is placed in copper sulfate solution. The cell voltage we know 1.10 volt for Daniell cell. The question is, if the concentration of zinc sulfate is increased, is there any change in the electrode potential of the Daniell cell? If the concentration of Zn2 plus is increased by 10 times, is there any change in the electrode potential of Daniell cell? Whether 1.10 volt is changed or not? That is our question. First, now I write the equation. Zn solid plus copper 2 plus aqueous gives Zn2 plus aqueous plus copper solid. We can also write the Nernst equation. From that we can explain. The electrode potential of the cell is equal to standard electrode potential of the cell minus 0.0591 divided by number of electrons involved is 2 log of concentration of product divided by concentration of reactant. In the product side, we have one metal. Metal concentration is taken as 1. Therefore, here concentration of Zn2 plus is taken in the numerator, and in the denominator we have zinc and copper 2 plus. Therefore, copper 2 plus ion concentration is only taken. The metal concentration are equal to 1. Now, the question is, if the ionic concentration, anodic compartment ionic concentration increases by a factor of 10, what is the change in E cell? Remember that if this Zn2 plus ion concentration increased, if this value goes on increases, the second term becomes more negative. If the zinc 2 plus ion concentration increases, the second term becomes more negative. This lowers, if it is becomes more negative, this lowers the electrode potential of this cell. Therefore, E cell value will decrease if the ionic concentration in the anode compartment is increases. The E cell 1.10 value is decreased when Zn2 plus ion concentration is increased. If the ionic concentration value, if the concentration of ion is Zn2 plus ion is increased, the second term on the right hand side become more negative. This lowers the value of E cell. So, the electrode potential of the cell value will decrease if the ion concentration in the anode compartment is increased. This is one reasoning question. Now, we are going to discuss one more reasoning question. What is that? And the second reasoning question is it possible to store copper sulfate in an iron vessel for a long time? Is it possible to store copper sulfate in an iron vessel for a long time? Given standard electrode potential E0 copper 2 plus copper equal to 0.34 volt. and E0 Fe2 plus Fe equal to minus 0.44 volt. Copper sulfate blue color solution, whether it is kept in an iron vessel for a long time or not. The oxidation potential of Fe2 plus, here reduction potential is given. Oxidation potential of iron 2 plus is 0.44 volt. The reduction potential of copper 2 plus copper is 0.34 volt. The high positive EMF value of iron shows that iron oxidize and copper will get reduced. That means iron vessel dissolve. Iron vessel dissolve when it is placed in, when copper sulfate is placed in iron vessel. Due to high positive E0 value, iron undergo oxidation. Fe is converted into Fe2 plus frequently. The oxidation is enhanced, then iron vessel dissolve. Therefore, it is not possible to store copper sulfate in an iron vessel for a long time. So, these are the two reasoning questions we have discussed in this video. In the coming video also, we are going to solve a number of problem and reasoning questions also we are going to discuss. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.
Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara. Okay, thank you.